Hi, Matilda. Hi, Mitsu. What are you guys doing? Am I eating some cereals? Are you begging for cereals? I don't have anything like treats or chicken or any of that stuff. Why are you guys begging for me?
Red, yellow, green,
I needed a snack. Hey, Matilda, what are you going to say? What are you going to say? You going to say something? Say hello, babies. Hello, other babies. What are you going to say, Mitsu? Hello, other pugs. Hi, pugs. Look. This is what my living room looks like right now. A mess. But it's fun mess. Alright, don't fall back. Alright, go get Mr. Monkey. Did you get Mr. Monkey? What's he doing? This Mr. Monkey? I don't know how to turn that thing off. Alright, Matilda. I'm gonna say bye. Wave goodbye. Can you wave goodbye? I'm not waving yet. We're working on it. Say bye, Matilda. Can you say goodbye? Bye. Bye. You look so cute today. Alright. Bye, Matilda.